you're under $1.5 million, believe it or not, and I don't understand why, people prefer a traditional stove where they bend over, pull the stove down, put their food in, pull their food out. In a more expensive home, closer to 2 million people prefer the high-level double oven setup. That's what they want. Microwaves. Everyone's seen the microwave drawer. It's like the biggest rage right now. I personally was never a fan. Me, I'm very impatient. The fact that I have to press a button and wait for it to open and then press a button and wait for it to close literally drove me nuts. But everybody wanted one. And that's the case if you're under 1.5 million.